divide 714 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 1 and it is 11. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 5. So again this 5 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 54. So 6 times 9 is 54. On subtracting, we get 0. So 714 divided by 6 is 119. So this much for today and thanks for watching.